If you are embarrassed of how your YouTube videos look, congratulations, you are on your way to making millions. As crazy as it sounds, bad videos turned this ex-convict into a multi-millionaire in under 2 years. And the same could happen to you, even if you're a small channel in a saturated niche. And I have also proved with clients who now make millions every year by posting YouTube videos like this, and this. But this is only possible once you understand a secret metric that you can't even find on your channel analytics. This metric is from the $100 million man, and I will explain it shortly. Now, let's time travel to the Super Bowl 2024. Do you remember this ad?
And since we spent all the money on the commercial spot, we actually spend everybody on a full commercial.
It did 19 million in 24 hours and shocked the world. Seth Godin's theory states that if your competitors are a herd of black and white cows, you must be the purple cow to stand out. Now, just like in Kanye's ad, bad videos can be that purple cow that breaks every expectation and becomes remarkable. And in the attention economy, remarkable equals making bank. But there's a catch. When it comes to YouTube, it isn't as easy as it seems. A bad setup, editing, and thumbnail could be acceptable. But the dirtiest YouTube scene is to waste the most scarce and precious resource on planet Earth, your viewers' time. So, only post bad videos if you optimize for Osmosis' secret metric, value per second. And here's the wild part. Businessmen like this, and this are getting clients, making millions, and crushing it on YouTube with bad videos, but only because they provide a lot of value per second. And 99% of people are clueless about how to provide value. So here's the truth. Cambridge defines value as how useful something is. Very shocking, right? But if value comes from usefulness, helping your viewers solve their most painful problems and achieve their deepest, darkest desires is valuable. So, steal my two-step value creation process for YouTube videos. Go to one of the most popular videos in your niche. Scroll down to the comment section. Manually select around 50 comments. Then copy those comments. So Command-C or Control-C. Then go to ChatGPT and write this prompt. These are YouTube comments. Remove all names, timestamps, and data that was not a comment. Then, simply paste all of the comments that you previously selected below this prompt on ChatGPT. Press Enter. Copy the results from ChatGPT. Then, go to any free word cloud generator you find on Google. Paste the results from ChatGPT. You will analyze the word cloud and focus on understanding what your audience says, likes, and pays attention to. Then, follow the next critical step. Go back to the most popular video in your niche, click on the description, scroll down, go to transcript, click on show transcript, go to the three dots on the top of this sidebar, click there, click on toggle timestamps, then select and copy all of the script of the video, Control-C to copy or Command-C, then open a new Google document and paste the script there. You will analyze the script, the structure, and the information quality. But the real key from this process is to understand the cause and effect relationship between what your competitors said and the viewer's feedback. This gives you unique insight to make your videos more valuable than anyone else. And believe it or not, it doesn't matter that there are already 1,000,001 different videos about every subject. People always crave new and better. So, share new and better tools, methods, and resources. You will be provided unmatched value, honoring your viewers' time, and making bank, even by posting bad YouTube videos. Now, the cold hard truth is that this only works with a proven process to find winning video ideas. So, if you want to discover the winning process that the top 1% YouTubers use, watch this video next.